everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys some of the Paithani sarees and a dupatta which I got recently. I posted a little glimpse on Instagram and a lot of you asked where we got it, so I thought I'll show you guys in detail. So Brand Mandir has been putting up these videos on YouTube where they have viewers price, and I think it lasts only for that particular day. So you can WhatsApp an order or you can basically order from the website. So that's how my mom actually ordered these. So I leave their YouTube channel link and Instagram also in the description. So they keep posting these videos where they quote the viewers price at certain times or like basically on particular sarees. So yeah, you can check those out. So I will show you guys what we got. Since it's the wedding season, I thought this would be useful also. And also I've been meaning to add Paithani into my collection from such a long time, and since they're expensive I've always been skeptical of ordering online, but since Brand Mandir is actually quite familiar. We purchased some during my brother's wedding as well. If you haven't seen those videos, you can see my wedding sarees collection video and all those videos also. I'll leave them in the description box, so you can just look it up, Priyanka Boppana and wedding sarees collection. You will see those videos. So now let's begin and show you guys what all we got. First, let's start with this dupatta. This one is actually a Paithani dupatta, and it is in the same parrot green, almost the same green which I'm wearing right now. So it has booties all over, and here you can see the traditional design, and it sort of looks like a shawl. My dad actually gifted this to me on my birthday. So here and all, actually it looks so beautiful and very traditional. I really like these traditional colors like parrot green and pink combinations and like red and parrot green combinations. Since a lot of us have been wearing pastels and lighter colors these days, I really like to go back to these traditional colors once in a while. So it has this red border. You can see that it is such a bright, beautiful looking dupatta, and it is so gorgeous. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So it is so grand. You can literally wear this as a half sari. The dupatta is very long, so you can wear this as a half sari with lehenga. I just zoomed out a little bit so that you can see it better. So this is what it is. I'll try and wear it and show you guys, but just look at this, it is so grand. Even green on green still looks fine, but I think it look really nice with off-white or reds. I think purple might become a little too bright, but probably off-white I think might be the right color. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, very grand. So this one, I've been eyeing dupattas like I said, and everything was around 12,000, 20,000, and I obviously did not want to spend that much on the dupatta, so this one is 6,100. Now I don't know if this was on discount, but usually they've been posting videos on their YouTube channel with viewers prices. So when you get it at the right time, like just basically that day itself when you order, or when the stock still lasts, then you'll get good prices. So that's something you'll have to check out. So this is the next sari. This is my mom's. Look at this color combination, you guys. I absolutely love this color combination. It is sort of a bright pink, and it has a dark green border. So usually we see these with like lighter green borders, but this one has like a bottle green border, which is so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'll just open it a little bit. So in the pallu you will see all this Paithani. It's very different from what I expected, because here it has like red and purple and all these colors. This is the pallu, and here actually the rest of the sari is like this. So basically it's like a combination of this. So this is going to be the pallu. So this is what it's going to look like. Nevertheless, it looks very grand. The rest of the sari is just this pink with beautiful nemalies. has like these beautiful peacocks all over it, and rest of the border is just this bottle green. So that's how the sari is, and the sari is 15,650, and I think this was on discount. So I'm not really sure after discount what the price was. Like I think they keep varying. This is our next sari. So look beautiful navy blue. It is such a beautiful combination. Again, a very traditional combination. Would look good on like all the age groups. Like I could wear it. My mom also could wear it. It is my mom's, but you know I'm gonna steal it at least once. So yeah, this is what the sari looks like. It has like beautiful gold booties all over. It has like a gold booty with a pink dot inside it, and this is the border. It has this beautiful temple border here, and I found the price tag. So this one is for 11,500, and again I'm sure there would have been a discount, but I am not sure. I might put it on the screen if I know what the discount is like. So yeah, this is what the sari is like. Yeah, this is the pallu. Oh my god, this is just so gorgeous. I think this one is even more beautiful. Like the pink one actually has a very different pallu. It has like so many colors. I think this is more like in the flow. I'm trying not to destroy the foldings, that's why I'm like showing it like this. If I find the actual videos, then I'll try and put screenshots here. We haven't worn these yet. Of course, saving them for like special occasions, I think. So yeah, it's a beautiful sari. So this is the blouse. It's plain. For the rest of them also I haven't shown blouses, but even for the pink one, I think it's a plain blouse with the same sari border. I have the last one for this video. This is mine, and this is not your traditional Paithani sari. This is a Banarasi fancy sari which has the Paithani look-alike work, or maybe it's Paithani work. But I thought the color was so beautiful, and absolutely have to get it. And yeah, my mom, we have bought it for herself, and then both me and my sister-in-law have been eyeing it. Yeah, so I think all of us are gonna wear it. Such a beautiful color, right? It's such a bright pink. I think it would look so beautiful and grand when worn for like weddings and bigger occasions. Like I said, this is not the actual Paithani style sari. This is a Banarasi fancy sari with that Paithani work. So this fabric is Banarasi fancy. So it's a very beautiful pink, and here it has this work on the border. So in your pleats and all that also, this is what it is going to look like. Look at the border here. Here also you can see like beautiful swans and all that, lotuses. It looks very beautiful. This is what the pallu looks like. This is the best part. I think here it looks pretty much like a Paithani sari. I mean, it doesn't matter. It looks so beautiful. So even though it's a Banarasi sari, I think the work looks so beautiful. And this is the blouse. It's like a plain pink with these gold stripes. So that's how the blouse turned out. And this is the beautiful sari. So this sari, according to the tag, the price is 9,700. Now again, I don't remember what the weaver's price or the discounted price was, but I'm pretty sure it would have been a little below that, like probably 1,500 or 2,000 below that. So yeah, this is our last sari for today. So these are our recent Paithani saris purchases. So that was it for today's video, guys. These are our latest purchases, recent additions to our Paithani collection, and basically my first ever. So yeah, I think they're very beautiful. I think these are priced a little better. I've been seeing a lot of saris which are in 50,000 and all that. So I think these are like good pieces to invest in. And yeah, they have a lot of different varieties. Like Brand Mandir has a lot of different price ranges and varieties, but you will find them at a good, decent price as well. So yeah, you can check out their YouTube channel and order everything. believe. So I'll try and link those details in the description box. So yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. Hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch, and we have few other sarees as well which we purchased during the sale from Mandir. I'll try and show them on my Telugu channel, so continue this video, go watch that one as well. I have been posting videos on my Telugu channel as well. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe and subscribe to my Telugu channel as well. I keep posting a lot of fashion videos on both the channels, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle here, and I also have my new brand which I've launched. I will be posting more details in detail in the next video, but for now you can purchase from the website or from Instagram. I have posted a lot of pictures of Dupattas and sarees, and a lot more is coming up, so you can definitely check out those in case you're interested to purchase. And that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.